Okay, so here's our little patch that we made. First of all, I'll come back from lunch. Let me just say, I saw something that kind of freaked me out a little bit. Here I was, walking down to my shop. I look up and I notice this big orange thing up in the sky. I mean, bright. I'm like, I think I remember you, but I haven't seen it in a long time. It was the sun. It's out. It's nice. It's 70 degrees. I done opened the doors on my shop. Here I had the wood stove going because it was like 40 this morning. And it's actually a little bit too hot in here now. So anyway, good thing to see is the sun for sure. I hadn't seen that in a while. All right, back on this. All right, so I've made some marks here. I've cut a little notch there, you can see in that, to get that to fit kind of up in there a little bit better. And I traced some lines on the back of it. Silver, it's harder to see, and I'm going to take this little handy dandy belt sander that I bought. I've had it for a while, never have used it, and just kind of tickle this down to those lines and then test fit it real quick. Works pretty good. It demands some CFMs, I can tell you that. Got my air compressor kicked on pretty quick. Let's see where we're at here. Okay. We work on maybe this area right here a little bit. Actually, can't hardly get in there, so I'm gonna notch this instead. Kind of fit that little flange right there. They're close. I'm about to get it in there. There we go. Look at that. It's gonna weld up nicely. And cut that flange off right there so it matches the other one. Put that pen in my mouth. Had air tool on it. Ugh. Not exactly peanut oil, guys. I put some oil in it because it was in that sander because it's brand new. You're supposed to put oil in them every time you use them, and I just want to make sure it had some in it before I put any air to it. So it blew that out. I don't have a muffler on that one, hose extension, so it just got all over me. So make sure this is cleaned up really good. And we're gonna wipe down these areas as good as we can. And I can cut that off on the shear. Nice. Or as my son-in-law Tanner would say, nice. Nice. He's a cool dude. One of my best friends. Another one of my best friends. You know, it's my other son-in-law, Foddy. Cool dudes, man. Got it going on. They got good taste too. They picked two of the most awesome girls on the planet. Only second behind their mama. Oh yeah. Houston, we have ignition. Kind of liking it. Let's see what we can do. Always challenged welding this old rusty metal. Let's see what we can do with it. Contrary, but we got it stuck a little bit. Let's see what we got here. Got a little fuse on there. A little fuse ejection. See if we can put a better one on. I need to dress my tungsten. Good thing. I forgot I have another end. I just keep getting lucky. The Lord is smiling on me today. Beautiful weather. Good luck with my welding. I'm gonna slide this tungsten out just a hair more. Just because I'm up in a corner and it's Makes it easier to weld in that situation. Say lordy, lordy. All right.